Ooh.
Look at this photograph.
Hey y'all, so a lot of you seem to like my Insta Poop feed and are constantly asking me, how do you edit your photos? So today I will be showing you the process that I use, and I am going to use your trash photos and turn them into slightly less trash. Look out, we have Picasso over here. Brenda, I have one simple question for you. How many followers do you have? I don't use social media because I enjoy real life with real people, aka zero. Got it. So I use 4 apps. Kirakira adds sparkles because, you know, I'm fabulous and I want to put sparkles in my photos. Snapseed is just like a basic editing app. And then 3D effect, duh, it puts a 3D effect. And then Instapoop, I just like to use the basic tools that it has. So here's the first photo that I'm going to edit. It's really cute, it's really sassy, I love it. Get it, girl. So first I'm going to open up kirakira to add the sparkles. Just increase the sparkle factor until sparkles start coming out, and there you go. After the sparkles, I open Snapseed. And what I do is I increase the ambience pretty much all the way up. It just brings a lot more liveliness to the photo. Then I turn down the warmness because I don't like it. I like cool tones better. There we go. Now that I've done that, I'm going to add a 3D effect to the photo. The real editing happens on Instagram. And there's always like this huge watermark from that one last app that I used. But I'm smart, I just crop it out. Got him! So now I decrease the contrast by usually 75. Then I increase the saturation to 20. Then I change the colors. For shadows, I always do the blue one and I put that at around 20. Then for the highlights, I grab the middle pink and I do that around 20 as well. Then I grab the fade and I usually go to 50. Depends, every photo is different. Highlights, I just decrease the highlights to 20 just because I don't like how harshly blown out some photos look. Now we're gonna get into the filters. I have a few key ones that I use. So I like Clarendon. That one's pretty okay. But I also like Aiden. Aiden is nice. Okay, Aiden, come through. And I like Skyline. I usually use Skyline. I just really like this one. Don't know why. It just makes everything pop a little bit more. And there you go. There is the final product. Now let's compare the before and after. And there you have it. I told you guys it's a long process, okay? But that's just the way that I do my photos. So let's do a few more. So this is the next photo. It's really beautiful, you know. She looks like she's looking off into the distance, thinking about something deep and like, what's the word? Psychological. Sparkles. Snapseed. Y'all already know. Increase the ambience. Now here's another little pro tip for all my curlies out there to make your curls look more defined in the photos. So I grab the selective tool. I click on my hair and I increase the structure. Look at this. Look at that difference right there. And you can like move it where you want it to be more defined. If you want it to be more defined there. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. And then sometimes I do like 2 or 3 of those on different areas of my hair. So it really brings out the definition. 3D effect. And Instagram. Y'all should get the drill by now. Look at her, so cute. Hanging a little donkey with an ice cream cone stuck to its forehead. So this is our really cute girl, you know, she looks really happy, really young, alive, very Tumblr. Cute, I like it. Y'all already know what it is. Alrighty, y'all, and that is how I edit my photos. I hope that that very annoying, repetitive process that is also very long and tedious helped you to understand how I edit my photos. If you want to use it, let me know and let me see how your pictures come out using my method. Leave me comments / suggestions of things to do / discuss on this channel. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my social media, that's below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!